I am very happy to see the high level of cleanliness. I am delighted at the quality of the train that I just saw go by. The train was clean and neat. The pantry was very well maintained. All the restaurants that I saw today were quite clean, hygienic. The paintings of Mario
Miranda
were also looking very nice. And I'm proud that this station, which was designed by Charles Correa, the very eminent and renowned architect, who was also a very dear personal friend and my neighbor in Mumbai, is still maintained so beautifully. Gives me a lot of satisfaction, and this truly reflects the friendly nature of the people of Goa, that they keep their national assets in such good condition. My compliments to all the railway employees, all the employees of Konkan Rail Corporation, and to all the people of Goa for maintaining this railway station in such good condition.
So there are unmanned many openings to these areas. And there is no metal detector at the entrance. So does the security threat posed to the visitors and the
I will have the RPF examine if at all you feel there is any such threat. But the people of Goa are such lovely people, such peace-loving people. I don't think they can be a security threat easily in Goa. But we'll discuss with the state government and RPF will take all necessary precautions.
सर स्वच्छता के मामले में रेलवे स्टेशन तो ठीक है, रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर जो एरिया है ना वो बहुत मतलब गंदे इसमें है।
मैं वो भी चेक करवा लूँगा, पर वो अधिकांश लोकल बॉडी के हाथ में होते हैं। तो यहाँ की जो लोकल बॉडी है हम उनसे चर्चा करेंगे और मेरे रेल अधिकारी उनसे बात करके वहाँ पे भी सुधार करेंगे।